What's going on, you guys? It's your boy Joe. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys on how to install Minecraft skins, any type of Minecraft skin you want, guys. This is really simple. I'm going to be doing like a little series where I'm going to be teaching you guys on just basically normal things on Minecraft, just in case some people don't really know how to do these. But yeah, let's go ahead, man. So first things first, you're going to want to click the link in the description. Now, there's plenty of websites that you can get Minecraft skins from. I like Skindex because they actually allow you to edit your own skin, and you can actually create your own skin, which is pretty freaking cool if you ask me. But yeah, so basically, if we go up here to editor, right, basically you can go ahead and make your own skin. Like, you can pretty much do anything you want really to your own skin. You can come here and erase this. Like, you can do anything you want. You can make your own little design up here, which is pretty cool, right? Like, if you really want to go ahead and create your own skins or whatever, go ahead and do that. But if you don't, you can just come up here to the top or the latest. It's completely up to you. This is going to show you the top skins. It's going to show you the latest skins, okay? So what you're gonna do now, is once you find a pretty cool skin that you actually like, what you can go ahead and do is click on it. So we're just gonna go ahead and click the sideboard one because I find this one pretty cool. So once you click on it, you're gonna get this option to click download, okay? And you can also edit the skin if you prefer. Alright guys, so once the file is downloaded, you can go ahead and just drag it to your desktop. I mean, that's what I do. If you want to keep this skin forever, I would recommend you drag it into a folder. But Minecraft has added the feature that once you install a skin, it's pretty much going to be there forever, which is pretty cool now because before you couldn't do that. So once you actually have your skin, you're going to go to your skins. You're going to open up your Minecraft, and then when you see play installation skins, you're going to go here, and you're going to click new skin. Now, what it's going to show you is you can do slim or classic. I mean, it's completely up to you, whatever you prefer. But you can click on this browse right here. Now, what it's going to do, it's going to open up your... now, you're going to obviously want to go to where your file is saved, which is my desktop. You can see it right here. So we're going to click open. And there you go. And then you can click save or save and use. And now you basically have the skin. And yeah, you can see now we have the skin, and it's pretty freaking cool, man. So that's how you actually go ahead and install skins, guys. You can go ahead and look at them on this side. You know, I prefer to use my little skin, but it's completely up to you guys, whatever you guys prefer. And that's how you actually go ahead and change your skin, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please make sure you give it a like and subscribe as always. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios.